when you wake up in the morning, that's actually when you're most volatile. And those decisions you make in your morning are the decisions you're going to make throughout your life. Like, there's a classic video that trended where the guy said the first thing you do in the morning, make your bed, because it's the way that you're going to live the rest of your life. It kind of flies over your head like, okay, make my bed. I've been making my bed for a while now, like a few years, like make my bed in the morning, make my bed in the morning. It didn't really impact my mornings. But then I heard another quote, which is, how you do anything is how you do everything. How you do one thing is how you do every single
That's
thing that you're going to
beautiful.
do. It's such a beautiful quote. And I think the mornings are the most beautiful aspect in recognizing who are you in the morning when you wake up, and how are you treating that time in that space, and how are you treating those feelings that you have. Our debts come from our work. Our work, if it's not true work, then we are going to be in debt, because if you're in love with what you do, you're making a content
That is
amount of
so
money to handle
beautiful.
what you do.
So beautiful.
And
Say
so
that
like,
again, Sean.
so
Say
you,
that again. Let people hear that again. If they are loving what they are doing, they are not going to have
yeah,
any debt. It's so
yeah,
important, right? Most of us are doing things which
absolutely.
we don't love. That's why we are able to
Yeah,
not have those funds to have that
yeah.
financial freedom. And continue, please.
Yeah.